What is SGPT or ALT test? SGPT is also called serum glutamate pyruvate transferase. Recently, it is also called alanine aminotransferase test. Alanine aminotransferase is an enzyme found in liver and kidney. The levels in the blood are increased in liver damage. Whenever there is liver damage, alanine aminotransferase leaks from the damaged hepatocytes or the liver cells to the plasma. How is this test done? This test is ordered along with other liver function tests when a liver problem is suspected. Whenever there is jaundice or bleeding issues, abdominal distension, the test is ordered. Blood sample is taken from the arm. There are no precautions required. The test can be done at any point of the day. Normal levels are 7 to 56 units per liter. However, it varies according to the lab reference values. ALT or SGPT is used to screen and monitor liver disease. Alanine aminotransferase test is done along with aspartate aminotransferase test. However, alanine aminotransferase or SGPT is very specific for liver disease as it is found primarily in the liver and also because of its long half-life compared to AST. Levels more than 2 to 3 times of upper normal limit is significant. Let's understand the abnormal values. Very high levels of ALT are seen in liver damage due to acute viral hepatitis, toxins, and drugs like paracetamol toxicity. Alcohol liver disease and cirrhosis are other conditions where very high levels of ALT are seen. Moderately high levels are seen in chronic liver disease, alcohol abuse, heart failure, kidney damage, and hemolysis. Slightly high levels are seen in fatty liver, cirrhosis, milder degrees of cirrhosis, and alcoholic liver disease. Extent of liver damage correlates poorly with the levels of ALT. Liver can recover from the most of the acute injury even though the ALT levels are dramatically high. Rapid fall in the increased levels is a sign of good prognosis. However, rapid fall accompanied by rising bilirubin levels can indicate poor prognosis.